We are here today to launch another series of book that has been authored by our very own Chairman Emeritus of the Philippine Society for Industrial Security and our current APSA Philippine Chapter President, Dr. Eduardo M. Fulgencio, entitled The Process of Investigation. So at this point, maybe our author to his book. We are here today to launch process of
companies that hires them or what they own, if ever. So after dedicating, so I'm going to read my writing here. After dedicating 38 years in the security profession as a career and as a businessman, no? I realized that not all aspiring security professionals had the opportunity to attend and the same courses that I have attended. Uh, Today's rising security professionals could be a college graduate, could be a high school graduate or an undergraduate, but who are also rich in experience in the field. But oftentimes, does not have the time and resources to attend courses offered by different organizations or the ability to travel. Major areas that I gathered from, but because of my earnest desire for everybody in this profession, which we all love, to learn the techniques, the principles on how to investigate, because this is a major setback of many people in the security profession. The second one is, as a resource speaker in security management courses, seminars, and conventions, I have discovered that management of investigation and investigation unit, often lacks guidance on the process of managing the investigation and leading people. It is my hope that this text will help meet the goals. This book was developed by researching the latest information available, both through written sources, private and public, and personal interviews with successful people, practitioners in the field, both here and abroad. So this includes my colleagues in the industry, past and present, and those who are outside of the country. I quickly discovered several topic specific sources of investigation or techniques. But I found few publications that put information there. This book, my dear colleagues, is designed to be an aid in the learning process. It offers security professionals the ability to establish habits based on step-by-step procedures in the course of investigation. By following the processes presented and adding your personal desire to work and apply the techniques, you can assure your success in achieving the aims of your investigation. What this book cannot provide, my dear colleagues, however, is the experience of conducting your first investigation. It does not stop you from making bad decisions or tap you on the back when you have done a good job. I wish to give advice to new and even seasoned security practitioners. Seek our mentors. So hanapin natin yung makakapagturo sa atin. People who you can trust, who have experience, and who are also willing to teach and to share their knowledge. And to the experienced security professionals who has the potential to be a mentor, like yours truly, I open advice with desire to learn. Even if it is hidden, teach what you know, show them how to do it, and after a while, let them go. So when they learn. So today I wish to thank you to those people, the members of my family, my colleagues in the security profession and industry, whose names I cannot mention anymore dahil masyadong napakahaba nitong mga. But today, I wish to thank two personalities such as one of the best, the late Captain Conrado Rading Guerrero Dumlao, CPP, CFP, CSP, MBA. Okay? Who had a vision in seeking knowledge elsewhere in transferring it to the people in our country. So my good friend, the late Aurelio S. Yalong, formerly the Director of Security of International School, a close friend whom I learned a lot, especially in conducting forums on security management and the art of investigation. This book I dedicate to both of them. And to my colleagues, my even my former mentors, some of whom have already left us, I wish to also dedicate this book. I cannot anymore mention their names dahil napakarami nila. Siguro kung nandito sila ngayon, they will be very happy to learn that there is such a book that you're truly have written. This is for the benefit of security professionals in our country. But I do not intend only to distribute this book in our country, other countries. And as you all know, I have already written two books. This is the first edition of the Security Management, Principles, Techniques, and Applications. And of course, the second edition, which is being used by security professionals. So this is the third book. So sa pamamagitan po ng ating pagre-research, pagpupursige, pagpupuyat, pagtatrabaho, at pakikipag-usap. So many people I've been talking to, no? Like my friends in Asia, from Thailand, Singapore, Hong Kong, and Malaysia, and of course, my colleagues from the United States in and Australia. So marami rin ako hininga ng so that I can form and write this book all together. So this book, yours to appreciate. You can only find this in the PSIS office. This is not available in any bookstore like the National Bookstore. So just call or text the PSIS Secretariat. Para sa mga CSP lang ito, no? Sila pwedeng bumili nito. Okay? Those only who graduated from the program can buy this book. Yung hindi CSP, hindi sila pwedeng bumili. Yun lang sa ating grupo lamang, sa society. Okay? And today, I am, doon sa mga nakikinig, irarapol ko yung 3 libro. Kung sino, meron siyang libreng-libro, 3. Meron pa tayong parapol? No, pero, so, paparapol namin yung mga pangalan nyo pag natawag kayo or you will know from the Facebook who won. Kasi walang daya nito. Irarapol ng ating mga staff dito. So, you can get your free copy of the book from the PSIS office, courtesy of yours truly. Yan. Kaya, yung mga pangalan nyo, pag yung mga nakikinig at nanonood, you will know if you won a copy of the book, The Process of Investigation. This is a 300-page writing. Yan. Hindi pala. 265 lang pala, sorry. 265 pages of intellects on security investigation. How to process, how to start an investigation, how to finish, until the time you will have to testify in court, no, for whatever you have written and you have done. Nandito lahat yan, makikita ninyo. Right? So, I'm glad to announce this launching of my new book. And sa CSP program, pagka umatayin kayo ng CSP, meron na kayo nito ngayon. Yung mga nakaraan, wala na yun kasi kulang bayad nyo. Diba? So, yung mga bagong CSP na papasok pa lang, inabot nila to, so meron na sila. Magkakaroon sila. Okay? And those, konti lang naman, bumili na kayo para madali. Diba? Very simple. Just come to the office, see the secretariat, Rupa, Iris, Marie, okay, or Patricia, nandiyan sila lahat. You can buy the book from them. Alright? So again, I wish to thank everybody who came to see this launching of this particular book. Kayo pong lahat, sa inyong lahat, kung di ko man masabi ang inyong mga pangalan, I cannot mention anymore your names, to you. Kayo po ang aking source of inspiration. My former students, my colleagues in the security industry, you have inspired me to write and will even write more in the next several months. I think the next book will be the security survey, a mass for security professionals. That will be the next book that I'll be coming up with. Okay? So thank you and inyong pagdalo sa pakikinig. Abangan nyo na lang yung mananalo sa raffle, yung mga nakinig, mananalo sa mag-asa. Okay? Thank you and good afternoon.